I am proud to say that they have done a fantastic job, and this ninth edition has been probably the best expo of their career.
So it's been amazing, and the food has been amazing. We look forward to the more participation on the last.
Sam, it was a wonderful show. The space was such a nice, and we are more than happy. And we would like to attend such more show and exhibit in this kind of show.
My good friend Dr. Shakti Vinay Shukla has introduced me to Deepak Goyalji and the Goyal's family to suggest me as a guest, and I was a scientist for many years, for 22 years, and I retired from CSIR and then joined as a director. I was there in CSIR lab, which is spearheading a campaign in aromatic oil. There is an aroma mission which was started by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, where there is a lot of scope to have a good breed of aromatic oils like patchouli, lemongrass, citronella, and then many other things. And recently there is also a mission called Floriculture Mission. All of you know that India is having a lot of import of both flavors and fragrances and products in the floriculture as well as in the aromatic oils, especially patchouli oil. And there is no reason for us to have so much of a difference between the import and exports. This is one part of it, and there is a lot of scope in the fragrances, flavors, food colorants, and how do we effectively increase our floriculture production and also get the flavors, essences from them. Aromatic oil business is a much bigger one, and if you try to take even something like patchouli, there is a lot of scope for us to increase, and country is making some progress. And what I saw in the last half an hour or 45 minutes here is a very effective integration of automation, mechanization. What is the scope of agarbatti for different uses? Not only that, mosquito repellent is one of them, or maybe there are many other things. Electric agarbattis are there, and dustless agarbattis can be thought about. And how do you connect various demands and then come up with new innovations? And I feel that there is a lot of scope for scientists and engineers to work with the industrialists to improve it. And I wish that we will have Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-sustained India, and I wish this very much, and I am humbled and honored and very much thankful to Goyalji and the family for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.
The show is fantastic.
Excellent.
What winning show?
International level का show.
Fantastic.
Really up to the man this night.
Now, may invite the one and only Shri Deepak Goyal ji of Incense Media to come on stage and address us. 20 minutes? 15 minutes?
2 minutes.
2 minutes, okay.
Good evening, respected Dr. Narahari Shastri, my friend from Z Media, Mr. Sushant, the event sponsor Neeraj Bhai, esteemed guests from all over India and abroad of incense and fragrance industry. It's my great privilege to invite you all in the first edition of Incense Media Award. मैं आपको बस इतना बताना चाहूँगा कि ये पूरे अवार्ड्स को कंसेप्चुलाइज करने में हमने 15 दिन का समय लिया है. It took us hell lot of efforts, energy and combinations, inviting people on board in jury things were not easy to create anything for the first time. It was really, really tough to get the things done. But thankfully, we are here with the first edition of Incense Media Awards. इस इंडस्ट्री में पहले, आज से पहले अवार्ड्स नहीं हुए हैं. ऐसे लोग जो इस इंडस्ट्री के स्टॉलवर्ड हैं, बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, उनको एक ऐसे मंच पे लेके आना कि कोई उनको रिकॉग्नाइज कर सके, मेरे को लगता है बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत थी इस चीज़ की. और हमने भी पूरा 10 साल का समय लिया है इस इनिशिएटिव को लेने में. I invite my friend Mr. Sushant from Z Media Group just to address the audience with his keynote session.
Thank you
Hand over
so
to you,
much,
Sushant
Deepak
ji.
ji.
Please.
And a warm welcome to Mr. Sushant Mohan ji, CEO DMCLZ Media Group. Warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you.
Good evening to everyone. नमस्कार, वनकम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. आई थिंक आप में से जितने भी लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं पीछे, ये पता करने का सिर्फ एक ही तरीका है कि आप सब यहाँ हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं कि नहीं. कि एक बार ज़ोरदार तालियाँ इस पूरी एग्जीबिशन के लिए, इस पूरे अवार्ड के लिए. पीछे से आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है, ज़ोरदार तालियाँ होनी चाहिए. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, dignitaries sitting in the front rows, a few people I know, a few I'm knowing tonight. जब मैं यहाँ आ रहा था, मैं इतना बड़ा एक कागज़ का डॉकेट, मेरे साथी यहीं भीड़ में हैं, अभी दिख नहीं रहे, उन्होंने मुझे एक डॉकेट दिया था बोलने के लिए कि सर ऐसा ऐसा बोल देना, ये कहना. क्योंकि पता नहीं था कि अगरबत्ती, इंसेंस, परफ्यूम की मार्केट इतनी बड़ी होती है और इतना बेहतरीन काम करते हैं. हमें नहीं पता था, हम कहाँ छिपे हुए थे, क्यों सामने नहीं आ पा रहा था ये. और इसे सामने लाने के लिए गोयल फैमिली ने, दीपक, प्रवीण एंड सीनियर गोयल साहब, आप लोगों ने जो काम किया है वो बेहतरीन है, तारीफ़ के काबिल है. ज़ोरदार तालियां गोयल परिवार के लिए. एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस नाइट. आई हैड कम हेयर फॉर 15 मिनट्स. मुझे नहीं लगता मैं कल भी रुक के जाऊंगा. तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इतना प्यार के लिए. एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू मोर सच इवेंट्स. थैंक यू.
Ladies and gentlemen, Shri Sushant Mohan ji.